concentration. You have come to Vivekananda Institute, Ramakrishna Math. Vivekananda is sitting there and watching you. He is not simply sitting like a photo or a stone. Okay? Ramakrishna is sitting for God. Rama and Krishna is Ramakrishna. He is not some. So you have come to a temple for learning, not to picnic spot. And you will be here only for 3.5 hours. You should be compensated. Up to 11:30, 11:45 also sometimes. At 11:30 you should not tell, I am getting ready for that. Then permanently you can go. Don't come tomorrow. You should go when we send you. Parents also should not rush and push and disturb. They should be quiet and they will thinking or praying or seeing some books. You are with God and God is with you. So no problem. It is not a school or a swimming pool. So here we work on character, your behavior. We allow you. Make follow cheste, no take. Red mark. Okay? We will take new students and send you on. Okay? Samskara means what goes inside your brain, through your eyes, through your American students. But American students are becoming quickly better. They are learning Vishnu Sahasranama, they are learning bhajan, they are learning sutras, they are learning so many skills already. Okay. So every day you should be coming before 8 o'clock, not after 8 o'clock when still students are coming. I can't tell you. Hey, Nanu Yoda Lagita. Telugu you know? Telugu cha? Hindi. What is your mother tongue? Oriya. Then you have to speak in Hindi only or English. I can't speak Oriya. Then you will see me only. मुझे देखना है, पीछे नहीं। पीछे देखने से तुम्हारा